Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a gorgeous watch band. This is so pretty. It's for an Apple Watch and I love how thin and sleek this is. It's kind of a dressy band. So let me take this off. I'm going to show you close up. I'm going to show you how to put it on, take it off, and there are some options for doing that. Okay, so here it is up close. So this is metal and silicone, so it's really nice feeling on the skin. And here's what I think is so cool. Well, first of all, if you forgot how to take this off, you press back here, and then this slides right off. You can see like that, and then you just push it back on. If you forget the watch that you have, you can look in your settings and find out exactly which size you need. This is adjustable here. So these all open and you can take these out, and then it also comes with a few extras that you can put in as well if you need them. I did not need any extras. So what you would do is you would just take this off and then you leave that off. And then when you put it on, it is a different size. I don't think this is going to fit without that extra one in there. Okay, it's not. So let me put this back on for you. All right. So to put this on, you are just going to hook this together here. Okay, just like that. And then snap. Now, I find this very easy to take off just with my fingers. Like I kind of put a finger underneath there. And then you can see right here, I can just put my finger under there and open it. And it is that simple. There you go, it's open. Now, let's say that you have long fingernails. It actually comes with a paper clip. So you can use the paper clip, you can see right there to pull up on that. And it comes with two of these tools where you can also use this to pull up on that piece. I don't find that I need that, but like if you have beautiful nails or something, you will probably need that. I was able to use this right out of the box. I did not need the extra links, but it does come with two extra links, and just in case you need to make this longer. And I love that you don't need any special tool in order to adjust the length. I do find it's easier to put this on when you have it sitting against the table like this, because then it sort of stays in place. Okay, and absolutely gorgeous. So here are the two extras just in case you need them. This is so pretty. I think it looks like a bracelet. It comes in so many different colors and you are going to absolutely love it. Treat yourself, get a bunch of these, and then you have a different one for every day with your outfits. Loving this one, definitely check it out.